I locked our keys in the house. We can't get in. All right, we got our keys. We got in the house. Thanks, Austin, for bringing us our keys. And now we're gassing up and we're getting ready to rock and roll. Where are we going?
I believe we're going to Attica.
Attica, Indiana. They have some car show, something or other going on there. We're gonna go check it out.
Heritage Days.
Heritage Days. So that's where we're headed. Once we get gassed up, get something to drink, we will be off and running. Next time, don't lock your keys in the house. So we made our first stop. We're in Attica at, what's this thing called again?
Heritage Days.
Heritage Days at a car show. So we're going to check it out, see what's going on. Just little festivals going on all over the place in the Midwest. So let's go look at some cool cars. So they're doing giveaways. You probably hear that guy yelling. They're doing door prizes. Not much of a car show. There might have been 20 or 25 cars. So we're gonna move somewhere else to see what's going on. I think Mama's ready to go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready to move?
Yeah.
Ready to move?
Yes.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Are you ready? You wanna go through the corn maze? There's a corn maze for the elderly. I think we could make it.
Later.
Now we're at a new spot in a new town, and this one looks like it might be a little more fun. We drove a real long way in the Jeep with no top, and man, it messes up my hair. I don't know. What do you think? How about yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. goodness. What the crap we got going on here? Apricot pie. I like apricots, so we're gonna give it a shot. My goodness, look at all this pie. Did you make all these? No. Did you make any of these? No?
I stacked them.
You stacked them. You did a fine job. Good job. Want some pie?
Next up we have John Hester.
This guy here stacked all of them. He did a good job, eh? Yeah. He's on the run. Look, are you doing all the heavy lifting?
What can I get for you?
Vanilla Coke, please.
Okay.
Two of them, please, sir. Vanilla Coke.
Two spots on your put new ones in.
Fantastic, thank you.
Lay it down on there, that way it doesn't fall on your food. You're welcome, guys. Have a great night.
You too. So there's festival number 2 that we're leaving. Waytown Fish Fry. That was really good. We had fish sandwich and baked beans and what else we have? Potato salad and a dessert. So it was really good. The rides, not a chance. They had some booths that were pretty cool, and I don't know, it's just kind of a small town, little get together, carnival, fish fry, fundraiser type thing for their fire department. I don't know what else. So these small town little get-togethers are pretty cool. So is there any more that we can go to?
I don't know.
We've hit 2 today.
We may have to look around and see.
We're gonna have to look on the old interweb, see what else is going on. But Waytown Fish Fry, thumbs up. It was really good. Thanks for having us.